Hi everyone, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer, and today I'm here with a first look at the radically redesigned RHINOSHIELD SolidSuit for iPhone 14 series. So we've got some really big changes here. Really excited about these cases. So first off, MagSafe is available. It's an option. You don't have to go with MagSafe if you don't want to, but it is available. These particular samples are unfortunately not MagSafe. They haven't gotten those out to me yet. However, if they are anything like the new MagSafe Clear and Modern X cases that came out for the iPhone 13 series last month, they're going to be fantastic, super strong magnets. So that's wonderful. Also, the material on here has been completely redesigned. It now has a really nice amount of grip to it. Really great improvement there. You also have the ability to change out the color of your camera ring as well as your buttons, so that is fantastic. And then finally, this material is a lot more flexible, and I think it's going to be much easier to get on and off your phone, so that is a wonderful change. Things that are not changing are that the cases are still going to give you that same 11 feet of drop protection, and they're still going to be food grade plastic, which is BPA free. So lots to love here. Let's take a closer look. So looking first at the iPhone 14 Pro SolidSuit, I just can't tell you how surprised I was when I first saw this case, because I've been reviewing SolidSuit cases from RHINOSHIELD for 6 years, and for the past 4 years they've been basically the same. But this one is completely different material, much more flexible, much more grip, really nice. I also think it's lighter weight. Still have the cool ability to change out your button colors. You can now change out your rim color as well. The lining here is much softer. They're still calling this stuff shock spread, but really different. Still got that over 11 feet of drop protection and food grade certification. So that's exciting. Overall, just really nice. So obviously I've customized this here with the buttons and the camera rim. The standard case is going to come with black buttons and a black camera rim. Or actually, this does come in 8 different colors. So it's going to have a camera rim and buttons which are going to match the color of the case. They just sent me out the black so far because I think that's what they had available first. So if you want to have contrasting colored buttons and a contrasting color rim around your camera, that's what's going to cost you 99 cents per color. And by button color, I mean that they give you a full set of buttons. So in this case, you would either get 3 or I believe maybe 4 of these buttons. So 1 big one and 2 or 3 small ones. And you're going to get that for the 99 cents. And then for your camera rim, obviously you're just going to get a single camera rim for that 99 cents. So this one obviously is your regular 14. I'm probably not going to ever be able to show you this one on the phone because I'm not going to get the 14. I'm planning to get the 14 Pro and the 14 Pro Max. I'm picking up my 14 Pro Max on Friday morning. My 14 Pro is currently delayed until later in October, but I'm hopefully going to be able to get it sooner than that. So here is the case for the 14 Pro Max. Everything looks great here. Again, it's wonderful to have the ability to have MagSafe with this. I'm so excited about that. That's going to be great. You have an option here for a lanyard, which is awesome. Great look and feel. Should be so much easier to get this on and off your phone. And that over 11 feet of drop protection is going to be great. And then finally here we have the 14 Plus. I changed out our buttons here for purple because I think purple is fun. Overall, just a lovely case. Changing out your camera rims and buttons is extremely easy. All you need to do for the camera rim is push from the inside out and remove the one rim, and then move on to another rim. So let's go with this kind of an orange-red color one. You just press it into place, and then you got a really nice different look there. And then for your buttons, got to change the buttons now. I don't have quite the same color, but it's pretty close here. Also kind of an orangey red color. Just press them in and then push the new ones out. Very easy, very fun. Really, really cool product. Very fun and easy to customize. Of course, these are also going to be compatible with RHINOSHIELD's new GRIPMINI and GRIPMAX series of grips. So your GRIPMINI and one of your GRIPMAXes are adhesive, and then there's one GRIPMAX which is MagSafe. But let's just look at the adhesive ones here because this case is not MagSafe. This particular version isn't. But all you need to do is just press these on, and then it makes a really nice little stand or a really nice little grip. Overall, just really cool, fun to play with. Pull it out, push it in. Really a nice little thing from RHINOSHIELD. And then we've got the much larger GRIPMAX. So this is the adhesive version. You've got a reusable adhesive here on the back. Super easy to take on and off of your phone. But once it's on there, it's really nice and secure. Again, great stand. Also a really nice grip, just a really fun addition to the case. So obviously this has just been a sneak peek at these new radically redesigned SolidSuit cases. A more in-depth follow-up review will be coming, but so far I have to tell you I am just really excited. So loving the new materials, so much grippier, so much easier to get on and off your phone. I think that is going to be fantastic. Love the fact that we now have the option for MagSafe, and I think that these new changeable camera rims are really cool. I also love the GRIPMINI and GRIPMAX. Those are really great options as well. And of course, keep in mind, you're not going to be limited to black phone cases. This is only one of 8 different base colors available for these cases. You can also pay a little bit more and go with a standard print from RHINOSHIELD's large print library. And you can pay a little bit more than that and go with one of RHINOSHIELD's collaboration prints. They've got a lot of great collaborations with brands like PewDiePie, NASA, Snoopy. There's just tons of really great options. And of course, you've still got that 11 feet of drop protection and food grade plastic. Lots to love here. I think RHINOSHIELD has done a great job with the new SolidSuit. Again, we've been taking a first look at the redesigned RHINOSHIELD SolidSuit case for the iPhone 14 series. Many thanks to the kind folks at RHINOSHIELD for sending me out these samples to review. These cases start at $29.99 for the base model, and there's 8 base colors to choose from, as well as a carbon fiber finish option, which is going to add $5 to your case cost. If you want to go with the standard print, it will also cost you an additional $5, the same as their carbon fiber finish, but if you go for one of their premium collaboration prints, that's going to set you back an additional $10 for a total case cost of $39.99. Extra buttons and camera rings are available for 99 cents per color. Super excitingly, there is now a MagSafe option available for the SolidSuit cases, and if you opt for that, it's going to add $13 to $15 onto your case cost, depending on what other options you choose. I haven't gotten my hands on a MagSafe SolidSuit yet, but based on the MagSafe Clear and Mod X cases I got a few weeks ago, the magnets should be extremely strong. If you're interested in getting one of these RHINOSHIELD cases, you can save 10% by using the affiliate coupon code, especially for my viewers, TheTechReviewer88. If you have any questions, please feel free to put them in the comments section below, and you might want to hit that subscribe button because I've got a lot more tech accessory reviews coming up. Again, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer. Thanks so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.